Nutty apricot granola. Come on, let's make some. To a bowl, add 3 cups of gluten-free oats with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, then mix. Now add 1 cup of roughly chopped mixed nuts in equal quantities: walnuts, hazelnuts, cashews, and almonds. Then add half a cup of pumpkin seeds and mix. Now for the wet ingredients, in a separate bowl add half a cup of maple syrup with a 1/4 cup each of almond butter and coconut oil. Microwave for about 30 seconds and pour over the dry ingredients. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and bake for 30 minutes, mixing every 10 minutes. Measure half a cup of chopped dried apricots to use later. Once the granola cools down, break up the clumps and mix in the dried apricots. Delicious! Store in an airtight container. Enjoy with yogurt, milk, or as a smoothie bowl topping.